Good morning to all of you. I think it's great. Look, Fiji International has been doing this since it started, but for both particular programs that are being launched today, I think they're wonderful. First of all, with respect to smart labs and the testing for diabetes, as you all know, we've said quite a lot about NCDs, etc. And it's good. It's a free testing facility that's been given. And I'm quite excited about the Bucks for Birdies program because from what I gather from last year, there were 1,300 birdies shot in the tournament, and it's $10 per birdie, so that's $13,000 that on the back of last year's figures. So hopefully we can do a whole lot better this year. We've got a good lineup. But once again, thank you to Fiji International also, and I think it's a great partnership, good program. I'm looking forward to the next couple of days when the tournament starts also, and a whole lot of birdies. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. And now I think what we might do, ladies and gentlemen, if there's any questions from anybody regarding any of our initiatives, we also have two other initiatives that are ongoing, which we will send out further information about. One is our Westpac Schools Junior Program, which has been running since March this year at 20 schools around the country. They are culminating today with a big event at the Shangri-La Golf Course near Natandola Bay. So I think we've got around 80 students there today playing golf on a golf course for the first time, so that's very exciting. And then we also have an exciting initiative announced by Tourism Fiji yesterday that they are partnering with TTF to put on free buses from 4 locations on the Saturday of the tournament. We'll call it Super Saturday, so that all Fijians get the opportunity to find it easy to get to the tournament. So the 4 locations are Lautoka Golf Club, Nandi Sangam School, Sigatoka Pacific Service Station and Pacific Harbour Golf Club as the 4 pick-up points. So some exciting more initiatives happening for tournament week.
Yes, it's great. I think it's a good opportunity also to tell all Fijians, look, take advantage of this. Golf is a great game, and golf actually gives back a lot to the community also. And we have some famous golfers of our own, and I think it's a great opportunity to mix and mingle with some of the golf stars from around the world, and maybe some of our kids can get inspired and be our next Vijay Singh. But once again, thank you to Fiji International. Thank you for all the programs that are being undertaken under the Fiji International and that are being helpful to all Fijians.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Naka.